So we're here with the Bullish Enterprise Award winners. I'd like to get both of you to introduce yourselves, please.
Great. I'm Tina Trueba. I'm an Executive Director for Celgene Corporation, Global Strategic Sourcing and Financial Operations.
And I'm Steve Youngman. I'm a Senior Manager, Strategic Operations, and handling a lot of the e-sourcing and technology tools.
Well, welcome to Horizon 2013 in San Antonio.
Thank you.
It's great to have you both here. Congratulations on your award, by the way. So tell us a little bit about what the Zycus products have meant to your organization. First of all, tell us which products you have, how you've rolled them out globally now, and what these products mean to your organization.
Yeah, we've basically been specializing. We started initially with the spend analytics, moved forward and add contracts to keep together and check our managed spend, under contract and things like that. Then we added the supplier performance this year, and we're also moving with the iSource to automate our RFPs process.
Terrific, terrific. So from that perspective, what type of return on investment have you been able to see, and what's led you to keep coming back and adding more and more products from the Zycus product suite?
Yeah, I think we've had a lot of return on investment because we've seen the automation. It's sometimes hard to measure exact numbers, but it has been very beneficial because we see a lot of the paperwork being reduced, and obviously we can make things happen electronically.
Also, Celgene is a decentralized sourcing group. So there's indirect as well as direct. And from a process excellence perspective, Zycus, the tools, as we sit with the other procurement organizations, they love what the tool offers. It makes their jobs a lot easier. And what it's enabling us to do is really see the total spend now in a decentralized model, but using centralized, reporting, savings analytics, as well as the same tools to do RFPs and quarterly business reviews to manage our suppliers.
So this centralization of data means basically savings to your organization's bottom line.
Absolutely. We were able to basically, going from 2012 to 2013, we've taken a hard look at how we are going after our spend categories, and in 2012 the sourcing team was looking at 23% of the spend. This year we're on track to ultimately look at 65%.
Wow. So
that has led to about a 60% improvement year over year in terms of savings, and we've basically improved the project spends that we're looking at over 100%.
Wow.
So it's been a tremendous tool for us.
So when you say you're decentralized in your procurement, you've said you've rolled out Zycus globally. So tell me a little bit about the global rollout and kind of what you've done and how that has been effective in helping you to continue to improve your procurement processes.
Yep. We found in the past that a lot of times everything's originated from the U.S. side, but the international side has really come in grips with us, and it's really made a big progress. They now understand the value, and I think it's helped a lot. So they now have been trained fully, and they're fully into the tool going forward.
And we did that by basically working with the team at Zycus, going out to our regions, training the people, letting them look at what we have from a vendor spend perspective. We use some of your professional services to really help us try to drive vendor X, should they be in this commodity bucket? And we did a massive cleanup in Q2. And when we did that and started to roll it out, people then really understood the value of what Zycus brought to the table.
So you've won the Bullish Enterprise Award. So tell me a little bit about your bullish outlook for 2014 and what you plan to continue doing with the Zycus tool suite.
Well, I think we basically want to increase all the adoption throughout the group, and once that's done, I think we'll see even better enhancements. Obviously, we'll plateau a little bit in the beginning, but I think now everybody, because they're involved, we're seeing a lot of gains.
Outstanding. And
we're also going to be implementing in first quarter the iMine tool set, which we're very much looking forward to. And in 2014, it would be continue to look at more and more of the spend. Ideally, we would like to get to the best-in-class benchmark of 78% for the indirect space. But it's also helping us develop the KPIs that are necessary. We're currently going into the contracts module and putting all the contracts in there so that we understand who's preferred vendors and who are not, so that we could do actual analytics against that as well.
Well, congratulations on you guys winning the Bullish Award and just the progress that you've made so far is unbelievable. So I'm looking for great things out of you guys in 2014 and beyond.
Thank you
so
very
thank
much.
you so much for
Thank
coming.
you.